Hi, it's Kathy again, and today I'm going to be making roasted chicken thighs. And the ingredients I'm going to use is olive oil, dried thyme, what is this? Creole, Tony's Creole, salt, some extra spicy Mrs. Dash, parsley, black pepper, smoked paprika for the color, garlic powder, and onion powder. There's no specific way to do it. First, you're going to add some oil so the seasoning can stick. That should be enough seasoning. Oil, olive oil. Just going to mix that up to get it coated. Make sure you get the oil all over the chicken. I think that should do. I'm going to put the salt on it. You grab me some paper towel. Wipe my hand. Alright, I'm going to add the salt. You don't want too much salt, but this is pink Himalayan salt. Salt. Some black pepper. All depends on how much you want on it. These are 8 chicken thighs with the bone in, skin on. And I like black pepper. Okay. And then I'm going to add some onion powder. Use your own judgment. Garlic powder. But if you want measurements, just leave it down in the comment section and I'll give it to you.
She's just letting the ancestors guide her, y'all. So
as Peach McIntyre say. Some Creole seasoning. This got salt in it too. Oh. You know I love spice, so this extra spicy blend. Woo, Lord. But that's still good. Extra spicy blend. I'm gonna add some parsley. And some smoked paprika for the color. Then you add your thyme to it. Sprigs and all. I'm going to put my glove on it. Mix it together. Get it well coated. I don't know why, but for some reason I want some lemon pepper in this.
That would be good, I guess.
I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna add some lemon pepper to this. And I decided to add some lemon pepper with no salt in it by Mrs. Dash. So I'm gonna add some of that in it too. Okay, yeah, that ought to be good. And like I said, just get everything well coated. And just gonna marinate for about 30 minutes or so. However long you want it marinated. So our chicken thighs has been marinating for 30 minutes. Now I have to just sear them. I'm gonna sear it for about 3 minutes to 5 minutes on each side. I have to do two batches. Oh yeah, I added olive oil in the pan. I'm just probably gotta add some more because it don't look like it's enough. Look, let me see my eye. Nope. I got this window open so it's lifted out. So like I said, I'm going to let it sear for 3 to 4 minutes on each side, and I'll come back. So I seared it for 6 minutes, and I'm going to flip it over and sear it on the other side for 6 minutes. And I'll come back when I finish with the rest of them and show you what I'm doing next. Yeah, that's a good sear right there. Okay, so I got all my chicken seared. I'm going to put it in my little pan over here, my dish. And then I'm going to put it in the oven for 30 minutes to finish cooking it. These some big chicken thighs right here. Gotta make some room. Ooh. Yeah, that's how it's going to have to be. I already got my oven set for 400. Yeah. So I'm going to put it in the oven for 30 minutes. And I'll come back with the end result. So here's the end result of my oven baked chicken. It looks scrumptious to me. Okay, I'm going to try a piece of this chicken alongside of my coleslaw, my sweet and spicy coleslaw. Ooh, yeah. Man. That's delicious. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.